Good morning to all for the opening session of this national level 1 week online faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective online teaching and learning, being jointly organized by Dayal Upadhyaya College, University of Delhi and KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College, KTHM College, Nasik. I welcome Shri S. Parameshwaran ji, Advisor, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Professor D.S. Rawat, Chairman of our college governing body, Dr. V.B. Gaikwad, Principal, KTHM College, all the resource persons and participants to this faculty training program on behalf of both the colleges. As we all know, due to the COVID pandemic, the methods of teaching and learning are relying on online media more than ever before. The motive of this online faculty training program is to equip the teaching fraternity to cope with the transition in the teaching learning process. I take pride in sharing the achievement and excellence of our college in different areas. Dayal Upadhyaya College is a constituent college of University of Delhi. The Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi established the college in the year 1990 in Karampura. In 2016, the college shifted to its new campus in Dwarka, built on a piece of land of 7.7 acres. The college campus consists of a state-of-art multi-storied building which has all the features of a green building. Rainwater harvesting system, water recycling plants are already in place. The rooftops are being used for generation of solar power and even house a wastewater treatment plant for addressing the issue of bio-waste disposal. The college has been ranked 15th in the overall college category in National Institutional Ranking Framework, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, in survey of 2020, in which more than 1600 colleges all across the India participated. The college is also recipient of prestigious Department of Biotechnological, Government of India DBT Star College program for the year 2018-21. The college is also recipient of Vishwakarma Award for Best Infrastructure in the country in the year 2017. The college offers 9 undergraduate honors programs and also run bachelor's program in physical science, life science, mathematical science, Bachelor of Arts, in addition to add-on courses in Russian language, effective communication and personality development through theater. Our college faculty has been actively participating in the academic and executive councils, board of research studies, departmental councils, as well as syllabus drafting committees. Many of our faculty members are registered PhD supervisors. The college has created a space for setting up a multidisciplinary research center with financial support from UGC and other agencies. Our laboratories are well equipped with all necessary and instruments for a quality research. Our college has always promoted faculty members for their academic development. We have even initiated a scheme to provide financial support to the faculty members for carrying out research in their area of interest. The college has also 5 computer laboratories and a computer center with over 250 computers, 800 laptops of the latest configuration and internet facility through the Delhi University optical fiber connection. The laboratories are being fully equipped with the latest multimedia equipment, including multimedia projectors, facilities for video editing, image editing, animation, audio editing, authoring tools that provide an excellent platform for smart classes. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled and optical fiber connectivity to promote network-based knowledge and learning. The ICT infrastructure consists of a server desktop, a gigabyte optical fiber backbone which provide 24/7 dedicated internet connectivity through Wi-Fi and LAN. The campus has parking space for more than 600 cars, indoor squash court, badminton court, gymnasium, archery range, 4 seminar and conference rooms with all the facilities, auditorium, boys and girls hostel, guest house, dining hall in the mess of each hostel, cafeteria, full power backup of 1000 kilowatt and 2000 kilowatt of UPS backup. The college has 12 lecture halls, 36 lecture rooms and 4 seminars with seminar rooms with all fitted with audio-visual teaching aids. The whole campus is fully air conditioned. Apart from classroom interactions with students, the delivery of the curricula is reinforced by learner engagement in a plethora of activities like field visit, heritage walks, conference, seminars, workshops in concerned discipline, and also on social and environmental issues. College also actively organizes international and national faculty development program, conferences, seminars and webinars for the upgradation and updation of our teaching fraternity. We have organized many online programs for students and teachers during this pandemic too. Our college has also worked actively for the welfare of the society. College organizes various outreach programs and works for the benefit of underprivileged children in remote rural areas where there is a lack of facilities. Our college had adopted schools from rural areas for the support of school students in curriculum and extracurricular activity. The faculty training program is another important bead in the string. I hope this 7-day online faculty training program will benefit you in your professional endeavor. The entire pedagogy is changing, so the only place this change can begin is where you are. And the only time you can begin is always now. With these words, I wish you all the best. Happy virtual learning. Thank you.